In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read the eToro portfolio dashboard. To get started, log into your eToro account and head to the main platform. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar and click on Portfolio. This is the section where you can see all of your current investments in one place, along with the key numbers that help you understand how each position is performing. At the top of the portfolio page, you'll notice several tabs such as Stocks, ETFs, Crypto, People, and possibly others depending on what you've invested in. These tabs are there to help you filter your holdings by asset type. So if you only want to review your crypto positions, for example, you can click Crypto and narrow your view instantly. This makes the dashboard much easier to read, especially if you hold a mix of different investments. Next, look at the price column. This shows the current market price of each asset right now. It's useful because it tells you what that stock, ETF, or cryptocurrency is currently trading at in the market. Right beside that, check the units column. This tells you how many shares, coins, or units you own for each position. In other words, it shows the size of your investment in that specific asset. Now move to the AVG. Open column. This is the average price you paid to open that position. It's one of the most important numbers on the dashboard because it gives you the baseline for measuring performance. For example, if your average open price for BNB is $554.13 and the current price is $555.99, that means the position is currently in profit. To see that profit or loss more clearly, review the PL and PL percent columns. These show your gain or loss in both dollar terms and percentage terms. So if you see plus $67.13 and plus 0.34%, that means your investment is up by that amount. If you see minus $672.97 and minus 6.61%, that means the position is down by that amount. After that, check the net value column. This tells you the current total value of each investment based on the number of units you own and the latest market price. If you want to take action, use the close button to sell an existing position, or the trade button if you want to buy more of the same asset. Finally, scroll down and review the portfolio summary at the bottom. This includes cash available, total invested, profit or loss, and portfolio value. Together, these figures give you a clear snapshot of your overall account performance. Thanks for watching.